I've said it before, I'll say it again. You never know what social code another human being, let alone a man, lives by. If you're going to be disrespectful, you better not close distance. You should never be disrespectful, no matter what. Violence is extremely expensive and there's a lot of chance. The best fighter doesn't always win. You have no idea, ever, what someone's willing to go to jail or die over. You don't know what tribe, creed, or hood they grew up in. This goes for everyone. Everyone should love and respect everyone, because the reality is everyone and anyone can kill you. So be wise. This is a tactical protection review. Byron Rodgers, protected by nature and by trade. Come train with us. Check the links in my bio or go to byronrodgers.com to see how you can train with us. Out.